So I done woke up, you know, it's 1:26. Getting ready to go to the gun range. Today is voting day, so make sure y'all get out there and go vote. Yeah, I'm finna go to the range real quick. I'll catch up with y'all. Said, man, if y'all don't do nothing else today, make sure y'all go vote, man. It's important. It's important for the gun community. It's important for, you know, the nation. Our Second Amendment. Just make sure y'all go do the right thing. It'll only take y'all a few seconds to get it done, and then go shoot. All right, so we just made it. Let's go. So I'm kind of disappointed in this video because I actually spent $249 on that. Man, I don't even want to say this, but I spent 250 bucks on the green dot that Olight just came out with, and I just left the range, and I can honestly say that damn dot is not holding a zero at all. Like, I couldn't really record it not holding a zero because I was too busy. My mind was blown that it wasn't holding a zero. And I brought my Ruger that has no red dot on it just to prove that it wasn't holding a zero. I would shoot the Ruger, I'm on target. that dot was all over the fucking place. I mean, up, down, left, right. Then it'll bounce back to where it's supposed to be at. You'll get the shot. Then you won't. My grouping was fine. My grouping was good. But yeah, I'm disappointed. I'm gonna be honest, I'm disappointed because I don't even know if I can get a refund or, you know, get my money back or how that process is getting ready to work. But I know when I get to the house, I'm definitely reaching out to Olight and I will be returning that product. I don't feel like I got scammed. I feel like I rushed and made a purchase based on the previous items that I bought from Olight. And I was confident in my purchase. I didn't have no second thoughts because I was like, damn, I know Olight, they got good quality products. I'm not basing it on the next gun tuber's opinion. I never cared about that. But I gotta give it to y'all. Y'all was right. It's not holding it. It's not holding. It's not holding. That dot is not holding at all. It's jumping around. It was tap dancing. Every trigger pull. You know, so once I get home, I'll go ahead and email Olight and see what I can do about a refund. Because I only had it, what, maybe 20 days. Probably not even a full 30 days of me having that green dot Olight or Osight. But yeah, that Olight, yeah, it gotta go. Can't keep that shit. Not with my life on the line, and I know I can just go buy a Hollison Light, Viper, aim point. I know I can go buy a good one, so why hold on to something because it looks good? I'm not holding on to it. It has to go.